Hello guys, once again welcome back to Crypto Denzel TV. So guys, today I'll be sharing with you a live withdrawal with this amazing platform over here. This platform was just launched yesterday and I'm going to make my second withdrawal on this particular platform over here. So guys, if you haven't joined this platform yet, kindly click on my description box so that you could be able to sign up a new account and also go and watch my previous videos so that you could be able to know how to register a new account. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump onto this platform so that I'll be able to withdraw my money. So guys, without much further ado, let's jump onto it. So this platform is called pet8sm.top. Don't worry about the link, it's in my description box. Also, don't forget to like and comment, also share, and don't forget to smash the bell icon for more updates. So guys, over here all I need to do is to withdraw this money as soon as possible over here. So I'll click on this withdrawal option over here. So I'll click on it real quick over here, then I'll type in this withdrawal amount over here. I'll just type in the withdrawal amount over here. So guys, for me to do that, I'll do it real quick over here, real quick. So I'll just type in the amount over here, 1.5 over here. I'll copy everything over here, copy it. I'll head back to here, then I'll just paste over here 1.5, the withdrawal password. Okay, I type in my password real quick over here, then I'll click on this withdraw now. So I click on the withdraw now and it says withdrawal successful, guys. So guys, all I need to do again over here is to show you guys how everything basically works on this platform over here. So guys, for me to do that, first of all, let me sign out, or let me show you also the investment plans over here so that you could be able to purchase a plan over here. So with this plan 1 over here, you could see that there is a plan 0, which is the pet 0, which gives you $90. So guys, remember, when you use my referral link to sign up a new account, they will give you a free bonus of $90 for free. So you just need to top up with only $10 so that you could be able to withdraw 1.50 with the pet 1 or the VIP 1 over here. You could be able to withdraw 1.50, $1.50 each and every day over here. With the pet 2, you just need to top up with $50 so that you could be able to withdraw $7.50 each and every day, guys, and it will last for 30 days. For that 30 days, guys, so 7.50 times 30 over here, so 7.5 times 30. So guys, giving you $225, guys. Remember, you only need to deposit $50 with the VIP 2 so that you could be able to withdraw 7.5 each and every day. Every day per 3 also, you are going to withdraw $18 each and every day, and this will cost you $207. Remember, they've already given you $90, guys. So whilst waiting for my withdrawal, let's go to Binance and check my withdrawal over here. So guys, I'll go to my wallet over here for you guys to see my current balance on Binance. As you can see over here, my current balance on Binance is just 1.42 over here, it's 1.42 over here. And guys, let me refresh once more so that I will be able to know whether the withdrawal is successful or not. So guys, let's wait for a while. So guys, boom, my withdrawal has been confirmed over here. As you can see over here, withdrawal successfully delivered into my wallet. 1.5 USDT is now available in your Binance account right now. So guys, boom, my withdrawal has been successful over here. So guys, as you can see over here, 82.91 over here. Let me click on my spot wallet and check right now if everything is basically working perfect for me. So I'll click on it. You could see that yesterday I withdrew a total of 1.50 and today another total of 1.50, all making $3 from this particular platform absolutely for free, just depositing only $10. And right now I've almost accumulated, let me say, almost half of it, and I'm about to be making profit from this side. So guys, don't waste time over here, just jump onto this platform so that you could be able to earn more with this platform over here. So guys, as you can see over here, my income, you could see yesterday I made a withdrawal of 1.5 and today too I made another withdrawal of 1.5 also here. So guys, don't forget to register with this platform so that you could be able to earn more and more with this particular platform over here. So guys, once again, thank you for watching my videos. If you don't know how to sign up, kindly go and watch my previous videos that I've posted yesterday. kindly go and watch it so that you could be able to sign up a new account. And also don't forget to like and comment, and also please use the referral link so that you could be able to sign up a new account with this platform over here. So guys, that's how everything basically work. Also, you can make deposit or the recharge button. You just click on it, then you copy the address, you go back to your Binance and make deposit right away. So guys, once again, thank you all for watching Crypto Denzel TV. Bye.